I wanted to study these birds, get a closer look. Upon further investigation on some of these noisy birds I was having, I noticed that they were grackles. Okay, these are like blue tinted headed blackbirds. Okay, and I'm gonna insert some pictures here. Film and photography of birds that I have seen on the property. Mostly northern mockingbirds, blue jays, cardinals, but we have a grackle problem. Apparently these blackbirds eat other birds' eggs, like these like more, you know, just they kill off a large portion of these other birds' eggs. Okay, especially I saw at least 3 of them in a row. I think they're in like packs, like it comes in 3s, but I got really interested in this blackbird because I was wanting to feed the birds, tame the birds, learn about the birds, obviously what it's in my area, what, you know, blackbirds eat other birds' eggs. I, you know, didn't know that. But, you know, the smaller birds like the finches, bluebirds, cardinals, they'll eat bird seed or like crushed, you know, dry cereal, Chex Mix, whatever. But I got my hummingbird feeders out as well, and we just saw a hummingbird the other day, so I'm really excited. I'm glad that they're back. They're always up around the, you know, veranda area, the porch. It's funny to watch them fight, even though there's more than enough feeders all the way around, they still fight each other. But yeah. So I spent most of my day outside today, that's why my hair is kind of crazy right now. Because I've been in the wind all day, I'm sure I'm gonna have tons of tangles. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ah! Yeah. Gonna need to brush my hair. Ooh, that hurts. Oh my god. Ugh. Well, ow. Now, see, this is why I don't brush it, because look, then it gets staticky. Look, do you see that? You see the static? It's like I rub a balloon on it. Static electricity. Ooh. My psychic powers are rising! I'm such a bitch. I so badly want to be a comic book hero. Okay. Alright guys. I think I have superpowers, guys. This is the rant where I say I think I have superpowers. But guys, I know it sounds cliche, but believe me, like, I see ghosts. I see spirits. I feel them. I see visions that come to me. Everyone's gonna be like, yeah, right? Nobody believes me. Sad. Oh well. You know, oh man. I tried to look on Amazon some neck massagers, but they're so expensive. I can't bring myself to buy one. I ordered my dad one that can put in the chair because he's really stiff. Like, he's an old decrepit man. God bless his soul. His poor body needs one more than me. But I found this one on Amazon where it's like a cushion that you sit in a chair, and it has just a back, and it only vibrates. It don't have like those like hard shiatsu ball things. Like, I wonder if sometimes I wonder if I need to go back to the eye doctor and get these checked, because guys, these are really old. This is like, okay, you're not gonna believe me, but this is the first pair of eyeglasses I ever got. And I'm gonna tell you a true story, okay? I went, I'm not, should I dox this business? No. This is new year, new me. We're trying not to be hostile. We're trying to be graceful and elegant. So, you might be able to take the girl out of the country, but you ain't gonna take the country out of the girl. That's all I'm gonna say. Kitty cat videos are doing really well. I think I'm gonna keep writing on that. If I had to tell you my evil mastermind plan, I have lots of stuff written out on a board. Different things I think would just be funny and like suffering because of COVID. Like, I know that shouldn't be a question I have to even ask. I know a lot of people are, but is there anyone that's just struggling a little bit more than normally when you go into public anymore? Like, I had the first shot, you know, and my second one's coming up beginning of next month. We're at the end of the month now, so technically a couple weeks, but yeah. I don't know why I still have this like weird fear. Like having to wear those masks and like, oh, if you wear those masks, here's a tip. Always keep peppermint gum in your mouth chewing it, because it doesn't keep the air just like hot and muggy, and that's how people get them rashes, you know, because of it sweating. And no matter what, you're gonna sweat under those masks. But like, I didn't try to go into town as much as I couldn't, like, you know, and I don't know, like, I just kind of feel like everyone's kind of traumatized from the whole COVID thing. Like, some people, like, I wonder if there's some people that are so scared that they just don't even leave their house anymore. Like, I mean, some people got terrified of this, like, and some people lost people. I know personally people in my life that have passed because of this virus, and it's like, it's just, I don't know, I guess I'm just trying to say it's gonna leave its mark, like, in history, in us. And I just kind of felt like it was worth recording my reaction to that. If I ever had grandkids, or when I get old, they'll be like, what were you thinking at this time? What were you doing? What were you were you trying to be safe? Were you doing what you were told to do? And did it work? And I don't know, like feeling the safe, a way to communicate safely through online. I don't know. Trying to keep tabs on people. I had a recent friend whose aunt had passed. I'm not gonna say who it is, of course, but you know, I reached out to her and gave her my condolences and all that. I was scared because I thought it was their mom at first, but no, it was the aunt. But I mean, still horrible, sad. I mean, it was a sad story, but I just wanted to send my wishes out to her and let her know that we're thinking of her, praying for her situation, praying for everyone who knew her. And yeah, I just couldn't get out. I know it's kind of embarrassing to say, but after my back surgery, they told me it's going to take a long time, 6 months. It's only been a few months, and I still struggle to stay balanced. I fall over in my own room. But, you know, I've been trying to walk through the yard, strengthen my legs, and try to be balanced. For the first time ever, I'm on an inhaler now because I get winded. I start to, you know, it's just been hard, health-wise, you know, with the surgery. It's just been a lot. Like, I had this done in winter, and oh, it was painful, and it was a long healing recovery, and it was brutal in the hospital. I mean, so thankful for the hospital. Like, obviously they do miracles. You know, I wouldn't be here where I am without them today. Like, they did a lot of things that I needed, like exercising my limbs and learning to stand again and use that leg, because when my disc slipped in, I was literally paralyzed. They had to wheel me out on a table out of here. They couldn't. Oh god, I'm not even gonna tell that story. I'm gonna save that for when I'm really struggling for internet. It's notoriety. And there's an embarrassing story about that, but oh my god. Let's just say there was so much pain. I haven't felt that level of pain since when I broke both my arms, okay? Like, it felt like I broke my back. It felt like and I was cursed with my dad's bad back. My dad has a shitty back too. We both are messed up. We both have really severe health issues. I don't think we take very good care of ourselves. We'll take care of each other, and I guess that's why it works out, because like, I'll make breakfast if it's for him, but if it was just for me, like, I wouldn't care. Like, same for him. Like, it's just funny how things work out. It's weird how the world just changes, and it's like you live a whole new life, or I don't know, it's weird. It's hard to even explain. But yeah, guys, I don't know what else to talk about, but found an old pair of my Uncle Donnie's glasses in the main bedroom drawer, and I went to go put them on because they looked similar to mine. They were like a dark frame, and I went to go put them on, and I was like, whoa. I couldn't see nothing. He must have been blind as a bat, because his glasses lens was really, really thick. I couldn't. It looked like trying to look through a magnifying glass that magnified so much it just looked like a foggy mirror, okay? I was like, I had an instant headache trying to look through. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe that could be what's causing me to have these headaches. Because these are the first glasses I ever got. Like, true story, guys. Like, I was driving around and I was having a hard time seeing before. Like, only in the distance when I was driving, I couldn't make out, like, things on the side of the road. Like, if it was, like, trash on the side of the road or a hole. Like, that sounds funny now that I say it like that, but I said something to my stepmom at the time, and she's the one that got me these. My insurance paid a part of it, but she paid for, like, the ads on my lens or whatever, but yep, I was in a situation where I was like, I could have just had what the insurance gave me, but she just offered to pay for these, I guess. But it's like, yeah, they're nice and all that, but the story about this was, okay, I went into this place to get my eyes checked for glasses, okay? They ran my insurance, took my insurance, no problem. Well, they gave me these drops. After he made me do like this eye exam, he gave me these drops in my eyes that made my eyes dilate so he could check something, and I had to be in my eyes after something wrong or whatever. Well, that's when they took me out to get my glasses, and I was like, I couldn't see, everything was blurry. I was like, and she was sitting me down, she's like, what about these? What about these? What about these? And I'm like, and I kept trying to look in the mirror, and I kept asking her to give me a different pair because I couldn't see. Because I couldn't see, but I felt like she was making me, like, you need to pick today because it's going to take so-and-so, you know, amount of time for it to get here, and it's going to measure the glass for it. And I'm like, okay. So I was like, and I was just going based on my feeling because I couldn't see. I was like, well, they got the lens I need, but I was like, I asked her, I'm like, what's this one? She's like, yeah, that one's good. I'm like, what about this one? Yeah, that one's good. And she's like, no, try these. And then I was just like, I don't know because I can't see. And I told her, I was like, I can't really see the mirror because of those drops. And she's like, yeah, I think these ones are okay. I think she set me up. I think she set me up to reveal my inner book nerd. She set me up to look like Velma from Scooby-Doo. How dare she? Jinkies. Jasper. Lenses, because the feeling and all that. And those really thin, flimsy glasses, like, they'll bend. Like, I'm clumsy. I drop stuff all the time. I can't see without my glasses. I do sound like Velma. Okay, from Scooby-Doo. Okay, but Jinkies. Oh, do I have an orange shirt in here? No. No, we're not dressing up as Velma next. No. Well, you know what? How many clicks would that get me? Scooby-Doo does have a high following. Alexa, make a note of a Scooby-Doo YouTube idea.
To create a note, try telling me everything you want in the note in one go.
That's it. Okay, Google.
I am sending details.
Play Scooby-Doo music.
Playing specific albums is only available with Amazon Music Unlimited. Here's a station based on Scooby-Doo by Ohio Express.
Scooby-Doo theme song by Ohio Express. Sure. Playing on YouTube Music. Scooby-Doo, where are you? We got some work to do now. Scooby-Doo, where are you? We need some help from you now. Come on, Scooby-Doo, I see you. You got us with love. You're nothing to me, 'cause I can see the way you shake and shiver. You know we got a mystery to solve, so Scooby-Doo, be ready for your act. Don't hold back, and Scooby